First tonight, local doctors say they've seen an increase in lung illness that may be related to vaping.
7 News reporter Scotty Kay is joining us in the studio tonight with what upstate doctors are now telling their patients. Scotty.
Plain and simple, Amy, doctors are saying don't do it. And while it's hard to know exactly what's inside some of these vape pens, doctors say it's clear they're not good for us. I spoke with a former e-cigarette user who agrees.
I tried vaping because I had smelled the smell that someone else had used, and I was like, this is really nice, and I enjoyed it a lot.
Cheryl Simpkins says she vaped multiple times every day for 3 months and loved it until she got sick.
I was deathly sick with the pneumonia, and on top of that, I started having neurological problems.
Truth is, I knew it was too good to be true, okay, because the problem is a lot of this stuff was designed overseas in China and other places, and the problem is there's no regulation for some of this stuff.
Dr. Nasser Awan with the Bon Secours Health System says it's hard to know exactly what we're inhaling when we're vaping. He says vape pens contain oils that are harmful and can deposit in your lungs.
They look innocent. They are not innocent.
The CDC reports so far in our nation there have been 380 cases of lung disease that could be linked to vaping, but Dr. Awan says there's probably a lot more cases that haven't been reported.
And that number is going to grow every day.
So far, Awan has seen at least 4 patients with complications from vaping, all of those patients being teenagers.
4 or 5 kids who've been really sick, who's required a fair amount of intervention in order to get them better, particularly with their breathing. And a lot of them end up on oxygen for a while. A lot of them end up requiring procedures where we have to sedate them and go in their lungs and wash out their lungs. And you know, these are not benign things.
Young people don't think that that's ever going to happen to them or anyone really, but it does. It happened to me.
Now, President Trump recently talked about possibly banning flavors for these nicotine-containing e-liquids. Dr. Awan is happy to hear about the possible ban, saying he thinks it will help dissuade people from vaping. In the studio tonight, Scotty Kay, 7 News.
Thank you, Scotty.